Hi everyone, and welcome back to another app tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create the trending hangover meme for TikTok. It's super easy to make, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the CapCut apps installed on your device. Also, ensure the apps is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Next, open CapCut and tap on the templates icon at the bottom corner of your screen to bring up the search bar. In the search bar, type hangover meme CapCut. You'll see a bunch of videos using this template. Find a video that uses the hangover scene template. Once you open the video, you should see a button that says Use Template. Wait for a few seconds while the hangover template opens. This will bring up your photo gallery. You can select up to 24 photos or videos that you want to include in the meme. Depend on the template you are using. After selecting your media, click on the preview button and give it a moment while CapCut creates your video. Once CapCut finishes processing, you'll see the final result of your hangover meme video. If you're happy with it, go ahead and export it. And that's it. You've just created the hangover meme for TikTok or Shorts. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.